now. Hold it like that the whole time.
Here, come here.
Stay your distance so you can just go.
Oh, calm down, woman.
Okay. Cinnamon challenge. Why is it chunky? Okay. Okay. Why does mine look so bad? You better move my arm. I can't pour it on there. Okay, there. Where's my water? Oh. I'm staying right by this. Okay. Wait, where did I go? Okay, I have way more than you do. That is so not fair. Okay, okay. Oh, shoot.
I'm not playing mine so you guys know you're going to do it because it's just wasting time.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna make sure it's equal to Jayla or she's gonna freak out. I'm scared as fuck. Okay. You can't keep that. Oh no. I don't want that much. Okay. No. Okay. Are you ready? I'm so scared. Are you ready? One. Hang on. Hang on. Oh my god. Oh my god.
She's already drinking the water.
Come on. Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Tia's wasn't as dramatic, but look at her shirt. Holy
I'm fucking pissed. Oh my god. I'm gonna puke. Oh my god. It won't come out of my mouth. Please don't puke.
Tiana just pretty much like held it in there.
We gotta rinse my mouth out.
I love the laugh.
Look at my shirt. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Look at our mess.
I already looked at it. It got a close up.
Oh my god.
She's got like really bad gag reflexes, so we're in trouble.
Oh, never again.
Can I stop it?
I don't care how many likes.